programs. The digital learning program is designed to assist teachers improve their skills with technology.
A total of 47 participants will undergo the annual refresher teacher training program for Bukbilon Pekinini. For this year's refresher training, teachers will focus on digital learning. The teachers will be trained on how to use the Bukbilon Pekinini app.
Included in our app. So audiobooks relating to our new readers that have been launched during Book Week. The series When I Grow Up, What Do I Want to Be? So of different professions. So that's from the app that will be showing during the training to all the teachers how to use it and how to develop the content as well.
According to Bukbilon Pekinini marketing officer Nelly Waknamian, the app will feature games and audiobooks related to the materials launched in this year's Book Week. Facilitator Veronica Peter, who has been working with BBP Library Learning Centers for 10 years, says the app will help them with the usual teaching.
MEC, very easy long. Or teachers can put in more work, belong at beginning, go inside. This like apps, especially time long. You mean that COVID, one of it is the COVID thing. So by helping more beginning at home, if they are at home. So they can just put on the program and move on with that program to enjoy it.
The teacher training program was made possible by ExxonMobil PNG and PNG Air. Kodivai National MTV News.